Hello everyone. Today we are going to see a simple experiment about atmospheric pressure. For this we need a water bottle, we need a ping pong ball, and we need a playing card, or you can use any chart paper or any thick cardboard. What I'm going to do is I'm going to keep this ping pong ball on top of the empty bottle, and I'm going to turn the water bottle the upside down. The ball falls because of what?
Gravity!
Yeah, because of gravity. So we need to find out a solution to avoid this. So what is the solution?
Apply glue!
Yeah, we can apply glue. That's your answer?
Yeah, it is.
Okay, so there is a simple solution for this. So let's fill the water, some water inside the bottle, and see what happens here. So now I filled some water in the bottle. So what I'm going to do is the same thing I need to do. I keep the ball on top of the water bottle. Now I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to turn this bottle upside down. Then what's going to happen now? Can you guess?
It's not going to fall.
It's not going to fall. Let's see. So what happens now? You see the few drops are coming out, but it's the ball. What happens to the ball? It sticks to the bottle, right?
Yeah, yes.
This is because of what?
Atmospheric pressure.
It's because of the atmospheric pressure, meaning the pressure which is outside of the bottle is higher than what is there inside the bottle. That's the reason you can see the ball is not falling down here, right? Let's try out the same thing using the playing card. Yeah, now you can see the similar thing is happening here. The card is not falling.
Thanks for watching.
Thank you.